Wagwan YouTube, it's Marcus Anthony. So, growing up where I did on Long Island, my neighbors and closest friends came from all over the globe. On my one block, we had us, my family, who's Jamaican, both of my parents were born in Jamaica, Haitians, Trinidadians, Dominican, American, people from Ireland, Italian, Guyanese, Grenadian, all the Caribbean islands you could even think of. So when you walked into a kitchen in somebody's house, get different smells and flavors and aromas going throughout the air, and always being interested in food, I would glance at what was going on the stove. So one of my closest friends is Haitian, and I would walk into his house and always see this black rice being cooked. What is this rice dish? Years later, my brother Ak, he's Haitian, and his mother, Mama Evelyn, rest in peace, beautiful lady, and her sister, Tati Giselle, couldn't wait to feed you. I came across this dish again at their house. When I asked them what this dish was, they said it's rice, and what gives it its color is mushrooms. Mind blowing. Being that we live in a time when we can mail order all the ingredients that we need, I searched for the mushroom that made this dish. So today on Tips and Tools, I'm gonna give you my version of Diri Jon Jon. Ça passait.